Hey guys, welcome back to the E-commerce Round Table. Paul Samia here. I wanted to come to you today and talk to you a little bit about subscription funnels. What are they and how are they going to help your business live a long life, right? Basically, with a subscription funnel, you are able to take your business from a day by day to a month by month, which is awesome because it alleviates a lot of that stress and a lot of that pressure of where am I going to get customers this month, right? How am I going to get income this month? I have to market more this month, okay? So with subscription funnels, it's awesome because you set up, you send a customer through your funnel, they sign up for the subscription, and then every month following, you get paid, right? You'll get whatever that subscription is a month into your bank account. There's a few things you have to keep in mind when it comes to subscriptions. For example, the lifespan of a single customer on a subscription is roughly 3 months, okay? So you have to put your numbers together so that you can get as much as possible out of those people after 3 months. Okay, so after the third month, what do? You either you send them an email, make sure they don't jump off your subscription. Okay, you subscribe them to another product maybe, or you send them a free gift for being a valued customer, and that way you can try to retain them for another 3 months. Okay, keep that in mind. It's very important. So let me kind of show you real fast how easy it is to build a subscription funnel. Really 3 to 4 pages is all you need. So let's jump over to my computer and I will kind of lay it out for you. Alright guys, this is Funnelytics. I'm going to lay out for you over here as soon as I can find, let me refresh that page. Sorry about that. All right, so let me lay it out for you. It's pretty simple, okay? You can literally run your entire business on just a subscription funnel, okay? And I recommend that if you can. Build a separate funnel that is complementary or that is similar to your current business / niche, and sell them something that they can subscribe to, something that they can get every month. Okay, maybe something they use, maybe some cologne or some, moisturizer cream or whatever. Okay, something that they use, because if it's consumable, it's the best subscription. Okay, if it's not consumable, you're probably not going to get any subscribers. All right. So the way I like to do my subscription is I completely pass the opt-in page and I go straight for a sales page. All right. I hope that they read the sales page and they opt in or they subscribe. That way I get their email address, okay? The reason I do that without an opt-in page is because most of the time my subscription follows after a funnel. After they've gone through my store, I've already collected all their information. On the thank you page, I'll lead them to my subscription funnel, okay? Don't get me wrong, you can put in an opt-in page on your subscription funnel. That's fine if you don't already have their information, okay? But in this case, I'm assuming that they are already my customer, all right? So I sent them an email. They went over to my sales page, and what I do after that, excuse me, on the sales page, obviously I have the hook, the story, the offer. Why should you buy this? This is how it's going to help, and this is my offer, okay? Get 3 of these bottles every single month to your door for $19.99, okay? That's what it says here on this page. Okay? And then what I'll do is I'll send them from there to an upsell page, okay? And on this upsell page, they have the option to get more of that same product, okay? So if on the sales page, they're getting one every single month at their door, right? Maybe over here they can upgrade, and this is a different product. Okay, let's say this is hand cream, okay? And we'll say this is, I don't know, face cream, all right? I want them to subscribe to something, all right? So if they decide not to go with this one, they're still going to land on the upsell page where they're still going to get an option to subscribe to something, okay? Don't take no for an answer, all right? So then on this page, on the upsell page, if they decide, no, I don't want it, fine. I'll create a downsell page. All right, I'll create a downsell page where it says, okay, don't want this every month, no problem. How about 2 bottles? How about 2 bottles? Right now for the price of 1. Right? So I'm giving them an offer. I'm telling them, okay, then you don't want it every month. That's fine. How about buying 1 bottle or 2 bottles for the price of 1 right now? Okay? And then from there, you could do several things. You can send them to another upsell page with another product, maybe not a subscription. Okay? Or from there, you can send them to a thank you page. Right? So they get my email because they are already a customer, and if they are not already a customer, they're sent to an opt-in page. Okay. They land on my sales page. They have the option to buy something for $19.99 every month. They get it to their door. They decide no, they don't want it. I'm gonna try one more time. How about this product every month to your door? They decide they don't want it. I say fine. How about 2 of those products for the price of 1? Okay, I'm not taking no for an answer. At least I'm getting something out of them, right? So they say, okay, I'll take that. Perfect. Thank you very much. From here, they're going to be sent to an email sequence where I keep touching them every single day or every other day or however you want to do your email sequence. And then through that email sequence, all I'm doing is I'm sending them back. I'm sending them back. Right? I'm sending them back. Okay? I want them to subscribe, so I'm going to try to send them back to my funnel as much as possible. Okay? The beauty of a subscription funnel is this. Let's say you get 10 people to sign up at $20 a month. That is $200 a month, right? Yes, $200 a month. And you literally don't have to do anything. Just fulfill the order, okay? You can even have your virtual assistant do it. You can have your brother do it, your sister do it. You can even do it yourself. It takes 5 minutes to fulfill an order. And that's the beauty of a subscription funnel, okay? Imagine making $500 a month just in your sleep, okay? Put people in a subscription. Try to get them subscribed to something. Try to get something to their door every single month, even if it's just a newsletter for $5 a month, okay? Anyways, guys, I hope this helps. Subscription funnels are so powerful, okay? If you have any questions, ask me below. Please like, please subscribe, please follow. If you feel like someone can get some value out of this, please share the video, invite them to the group. I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, so like I said, I hope this helped out. Go out there, start building your subscriptions. Put them into your funnels. You know, you can have a standard sales funnel, and then somewhere along the line, you could drop a subscription in. Right? An upsell. Do you want this every month? No, I don't. Okay, how about a downsell? Get 2 of them right now. Okay, I'll take that. One more upsell. Hey, how about this every month? No, thank you. Okay, thank you page. All right, guys? Don't be afraid to ask them to subscribe or touch them again later through an email sequence. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for joining me at the e-commerce round table, and I will see you on the next one.